What is up, guys? Welcome back to the German Muscle channel. So if you guys are wondering why I haven't been posting any car related videos, it is because my car is down. I did post a video on like trying to get help from you guys to find out what's wrong with my car. I actually did find out what is wrong with it. The starter is completely toast. So what happens is when I try to start my car, my battery is completely dead right now. And so what it does when I try to start the car, it does this right here. This exact same thing. I gotta turn the key off because the manual, but it does not want to start or engage or anything like that. It's in neutral. You can start it in any gear as long as the clutch is still down. So it is my starter. So I was actually going to get a crowbar and pound on the starter, but it's directly underneath the plastic intake manifold, and it's really cold outside, so I don't really want to mess with any type of plastics while it's cold outside, because it can be really brittle and break and all that stuff. So I'm gonna wait until it's warmer outside to mess with all that. I'll do a video on it for you guys just to show you guys how to do it and stuff like that, because it's directly underneath the intake manifold. If you guys want to watch a better video on like how far it is underneath the intake, look up the 50s Kid and look up starter replacement by him, and it'll pop up. It is directly underneath the intake, so that's why I'm not messing with it. If I lived in California or Florida or something like that, then yeah, I would. But I live in Ohio and it's cold as shit up here. So that's pretty much why I haven't been posting any car videos. I do have some car parts that I got in the mail. I'm not going to say what it is just because it'll give away the surprise or whatever. But I will be doing a video on that once it warms up. So yeah, so if you guys want to follow me on Instagram, I actually do have another Instagram now. It's called Muscle German. I got a new phone and tried to sign into my other Instagram, and it wouldn't let me do it. It just signed me into a completely different one with no post or nothing like that. So I've had it on there for a while. It won't let me sign into my other Instagram, so I just took advantage of the new one, and I got like 5 posts on it now. I just started it tonight. Well, I just started like posting pictures on it tonight, and I got like 25 followers already. So if you guys want to follow me on Instagram, you'll see a picture of my intro picture, where it's a picture of my car at the car wash with German Muscle down at the bottom and YouTube on the right side. So if you guys want to follow me on Instagram, go ahead. If you guys want to send me like pictures of your cars or whatever, and maybe I'll give you guys a shout out in the video or whatever. If you guys want me to put you guys on a video, then let me know. If you guys have any ideas for videos, definitely send me a message on Instagram, and I'll do a video, I guess, or if it's good enough, whatever. So if you guys, like I said, if you guys want to follow me on Instagram, it's Muscle German, and it should pop up. So yeah, I know it's backwards, but like I said, when I tried to log into my old one, it logged me into a brand new account, and I can't change it back. I already tried, but I don't have no links yet or nothing. It's not a scam. It is me. So if you guys want to follow me, go ahead. And that's pretty much all I have for this video. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay tuned for the new parts video coming up. I'd say in a couple of days or so, just because it's like really cold outside. Like, I'm outside in shorts in my car, and my hands are like almost frozen together. So stay tuned for the new videos, and yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.